Hey guys, it's Miss Nelson, and today you guys are going to be taking some notes over modeling expressions. So up until this point, we have learned with our properties how to make equivalent expressions, and now I'm going to show you several different models that you could see that represent the answer of one of those properties whenever we find an equivalent piece to it. So it says that we can use models to represent expressions, equations, or inequalities. Okay, so you're going to see a lot of models over the next several days. So if we look at our first example, we have 2 times 3 plus x, so distributive property. So I'm going to go ahead and simplify this first by taking my 2 and multiplying it by both pieces. 2 times 3 is 6. I'm going to bring down my addition sign, and then 2 times x is 2x. So this would simplify if I switched it to 2x plus 6. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how to do 2 different models that will get you the answer of 2x plus 6 when we simplify them. Okay? The first way that we can do it, and I'm going to be modeling the original of 2 times 3 plus x. The first thing I'm going to do is show you 2 groups of 3 plus x. So what you guys will learn in the upcoming notes is that whenever we have small squares, those are going to count as positive ones unless a negative is shown. And then x's are going to be shown with bars. So there is one set of 3 plus x. And then I'm going to draw a second set for a total of 2 sets of 3 plus x. The second way that you can do it is actually a form of multiplication. So what you can do is if we draw a bar model, and I'm going to divide it in half, I'm going to take what I'm multiplying by all pieces, which is my 2. I'm going to set it on the outside. And then I'm going to take my other 2 pieces, which is a 3, and then an x. So again, when I go through and multiply this 2 by both pieces, I would get the 6, and I would get the 2x, and then if there was a plus sign, then we would bring that down for the answer. In your second example, we have 5y plus 7. So same thing, I'm going to break it up into 2 different models. Now, there's not a rule that says that one model has to go with one type of problem. So just remember that all these models can kind of shift around depending on the unit or the answer that you're attaching it to. So for 5y plus 7, I'm going to go back to another bar model. Except for this time, because there is no piece on the outside being multiplied with it, I'm going to just break it into 2 pieces, and this piece is going to be 5y, and that piece is going to be 7. So it shows you that the whole thing is this piece back over here. Your last model that you can do for this, I can do another bar model, but I can actually take my y's and I can break them up into the individual pieces. So if I have a y, 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 and then my 7, these guys here will give me my 5 y's, and then I would still bring down that plus 7. Okay, the last example you have is an 8z, 8 times z. I'm going to show you this in the same format of breaking it into a square and multiplying the pieces together. So again, because we're multiplying, I'm going to put 1 on each side. So 8 would go here. I could put z on top, and that would represent the answer of 8z. So if you have any questions, make sure you come prepared, ready to ask tomorrow. Have a good day.